thanks for watching and joining me today. This is day 7 of our isolation. I must admit I did get a little bit of cabin fever this morning, and I just went for a drive in the car, which I've put a clip at the end of this to show you. I had a bit of a moment, but I'll leave you to see that I am only human after all, and we are going through this together. So I hope you're right. I hope you had a lovely day yesterday. I have got some things that will follow on from the hello, so just keep watching for that. I just want to say hello to Sue Greenwell, who's one of my newest subbies, and thanks for watching, thanks for joining. To everybody who is following along this journey. You know, it's Monday. I think I find Monday to Friday harder because at the moment Charming's still going to work because he works outside, so he just works by himself, and his son. So you know, he's not in contact with anybody only other than his son, which he's keeping distance from, so he's still able to work, thank goodness, at the moment. So my weekends are pretty much the same as what they would normally be, except we don't go out. We haven't been out, which I'm fine with that, but it's my Monday to Fridays that I find hard. But you'll see a little bit of a clip of that after this one, and then I'll be back later on, maybe to do some crafting, or we'll sort through something together. We'll find something to do. So keep watching. Thank you for staying with me, and love to you all. See you in a minute. Hi everyone. So I decided that I would come up for a drive today, just to get out the house, because a bit of cabin fever. I've not come into contact with no humans. I'm just sitting in my car. I've just driven out to a place where I would normally bring the kids. Oh, just finding it so hard. You know, we're only on day, is it 7? And I feel like my flipping heart's breaking. It's just horrible. We take so much for granted, you know. It's like the other day, I had to go and get some stuff, and I sat outside. I did get accosted that day. And when I was in there, there was a lady with a daughter who had obviously just had twins, and they were having a coffee. This is before the cafes and that closed. And you know, we take things for granted, like just it's like there's a car next to me, and probably thinks it's a crazy lady talking to herself and crying. But yeah, this lady was out with her daughter and her grandkids, and I just thought, we take those things for granted. You know, I need to do like a journal page, and we need to list all of those things that we take for granted in our everyday life, and then when you don't have them or you can't do them, we miss them so bad. There was a lady there just thinking I'm mad, I'm crazy. I don't care. I just guess I'm, you know, we're all going through this, and I know I need to support here for you guys. Sorry, but I'm all snotty. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's okay, I guess, to have a cry. It's okay to have a moment. I'd been quite strong until I think last night, and then, you know, Monday to Friday is normally my time with Kay and the kids, and I guess at the weekend Tony's there, and nothing's really changed there. It's just in the week I just miss them. Oh, I miss them. I'm never gonna moan about being tired from having the kids, or them making too much noise, or I know it's silly because eventually we're going to get back to normal. I think it's the, you know, the not knowing. We don't know how many days this is going to be. We don't know how long this is going to go on for. You know, yesterday on the news they were saying it's more than likely going to be 6 months to a year when they start integrating people back into social, you know, not having social distancing. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I do not know how I'm going to do it. I am so sorry. I'm just having a moment, okay? And I'm going to get this out of my system and then come back and be brighter and back on track and everything. But I just want you to know, the reason I'm recording this is because I don't want to cry down the phone on my messenger to Kay, because I don't want to upset her and I don't want the kids to see me crying, and so I'm letting it out with you guys. I hope you don't mind. I just had to get out of the house, but I don't know if it's helped or hindered because I'm sat here and you can't see the beautiful scenery in front of me. There's cars behind, but in front there's like an area that I usually take the kids. It's all grass and there's benches and things and that, you know. That's how I bring the kids sometimes. I just want to see them. I want to hold them, smell them. I want to see my daughter. And I'm sorry, I know we're all going through this and I'm just being a baby. I'm sorry. And I'm all snotty and I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. I will be back later, more positive, more on track. I have a million things to put on my, you know, grateful list and what we take for granted. I think we need to, the positive that I think we're going to take from all of this is that it'll make us appreciate what we have. I know there's times that we all moan about running around and being nanny taxi and things, but I'll never moan again. Never. So if you ever hear me moaning about being tired from having the grandkids, remind me of this moment. Oh God, now someone else has pulled up and I'm crying and oops. Yes, I'm gonna go. I want to come back. I will be more positive, and I just had a moment and I'm sorry to share it with you guys, but this is what this support group is about, you know. We're all gonna have these moments and we're all human, and you know, sometimes we're gonna be strong and motivated and kicking butt, crafting and that, and other times I'm gonna be a sobbing mess. I'm sure this is not gonna be the one and only time. So thank you for listening to me, and I'll see you later, and hopefully I'll be in a different headspace. Take care. I'll talk to you in a little bit.